Hey guys, I did not have time to run to the salon to get my pixie done, but LuvMe Hair has me covered, so let's go ahead and get into this one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. So in today's video, we are going to get into some units from LuvMe Hair. Well, this is actually going to be a two-parter because in this box we have 2 wigs. So I'm going to start off with just one today, and then I'm going to do another video for the second wig. So this wig that we are going to be reviewing today is going to be super affordable, super easy, super beginner friendly, and super short. It's a pixie wig, which is right up my alley because as you can see, my hair is cut into a pixie. It's the unit that we are going to be reviewing today, and I have seen this all over social media. So let me just go ahead and provide you with the specs first, and then we'll get into what the unit looks like, the construction, all of that, and install, and of course the pros and cons. So this is LuvMe Hair's beginner friendly natural black lightweight roll curl glueless minimalist HD lace short pixie cut wig with the pre-cut lace. So this unit is 6 inches long. Price is $109.90, and you know I have you covered with a promo code SNH28, gets you 28% off. So density on this unit is 150%. It is glueless. Cap size is medium, which is about 22.5 inches. The hair is 100% human hair. It comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. Color is a natural black. It comes with a left side part. Sorry to your right side part girlies, but this one is going to be a left side part only. When it says a minimalist lace, that means it's pretty much like a T-part unit, except it's on the side. So it's a little bit of lace right here where the part is on the left side, and a little bit right here around the hairline, and that is it. So you cannot change the part on this unit. It does have HD lace. Can it be dyed? Yes, but bleaching is not recommended. And again, this unit is 6 inches long. So let's take it out, give it a look, show you the construction, and then we'll go ahead and install. All right, so in the box, of course, we have a letter from the founder, Helena. Love me for you, born for you, existing for you, unbox the love and shine bright from Helena. And then in the inside, let's see what other goodies we have. All right, so we have a pack of HD wig caps, a wig box label, a purple mesh bag to store the unit, a little flyer here to unlock some exclusive gifts, and the thank you card. So this has common wig issues, how to return, wig care guide, and thank you, and their social medias. So now for the start of the show, here is the unit. I'm going to take it out of the netting and the paper. This one is secure. Okay, and then we have a little tag here. Let me just take that off. Now this unit does come with the LuvMe Hair elastic band that goes on the inside of this unit, so I will be installing this one just because there's no drawstring or anything like that in the inside of this unit. So let's just take a look at the construction really quickly. Okay, so here is the unit, short and sweet. It's a lot longer on the top of this unit than it is in the back. So in the back it's more, I wouldn't say tapered, but shorter in the back, longer at the top. So as you see, the lace is cut off. The knots are bleached. We only have lace right here on this left side. So as far as the inside, so you can see, so anytime you get this unit, like if you wash it or if it does not come with a part in it, all you have to do is just take a comb, a rat tooth comb, and just part it right there in the middle of the lace. That way the tracks are not exposed. I get a lot of questions about that for some reason. I'm not really sure why, because just part it where the lace is. So there's 2 combs here in the front. There is one in the back. We also have the adjustable straps, and of course I'm going to install the elastic band, but super stretchy cap. Okay, so as far as the elastic band, I turned the unit inside out just so that you can see. So there's little hooks on both sides of the unit, and then there's hooks on the elastic band. So all you're going to do is just slide the hook into the hook inside of the unit as so, and then just do the same thing on the other side. as so. And there you have it. Just flip it around and now we have our elastic band installed. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a voiceover with this install. It's gonna be super quick and easy, but I kind of just want to speed it up because I will be doing some styling to it. As you see, like the back is very tightly curled like a church bump, and you all know that I do not like that. So we're gonna have to bring out our mini flat iron and get to work on this, but stay tuned. All right, so I am starting off with a nude wig cap, and I'm just going to slip the unit on my head, placing that elastic band around the back of my head, and then placing that back comb in the nape of my hair. Now, since the unit is very secure, I'm not going to install those front combs in the front of my hair, but I am adjusting the ear tabs around my ear. For styling, I'm going to use my 1-inch flat iron and then also my 3-way mirror. The 3-way mirror is already linked down in the description box. And as far as the flat iron, I will put that in the description box as well. But I'm just taking sections of hair right there in the back where the shortest hairs are and just running my flat iron over it. I just want it to look more layered instead of super tightly curled. More wispy and less church lady. Now at the front of the unit, I'm going to bring down sections of hair and then clip the rest out of the way. I'm going to use that same flat iron to just run over it and just loosen up the curl. I want it to be more so like feathered in the front instead of super curled. Now I really loved how much volume and how the curls look just straight out of the box in the front. But as far as the look that I'm going for today, I would like some feathers. Now, you are more than welcome to just wear the unit how it is, just straight out of the box. But for me, with my units, I like to customize it to my preference. I do not want my units to look cookie cutter and like everyone else's. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side, just bringing down layers of hair and then using that same flat iron to run over it so that it's now going to be a feather instead of a tight curl. See the difference? Now this is what I'm talking about. And with these feathers, you could tuck it behind your ear. It also has this beautiful sideburn. So cute. Now at the very top of this unit, I am going to run the flat iron towards the back. This is going to also create that feathered look while also loosening up that tight curl that it came with out of the box. And now with my rake comb, I am just going to comb through this unit, blending those beautiful feathers all together, and then kind of bringing down those sideburns. And this little piece of hair, I probably am going to have to cut that. But for now, just look how beautiful these feathers are. I decided to keep this unit glueless and not spray or glue it down. So I'm going to take some Wet n Wild concealer with a flat brush and then just pat that right there into that lace that's on my hairline. I just wanted to tint it to my own skin tone so it's not visible. And boom, that's the install. All right, guys, so this is the final look. Let me go ahead and turn around so I can show you all angles. So, of course, the front. Here is the side. I just love this little sideburn here. So, side. Here is the back. So, as you saw, I did use the flat iron to kind of like straighten it out just a little bit because it was too tightly curled here in the back. So, it's laying nice and flat. Now, I know a lot of you all are going to say that it needs to be trimmed down here in the back. However, I am not an expert like this. When I get my own pixie done, I go to the salon. So I have not mastered like how to shape up a pixie wig, but that is just personal preference. If you decide to do that, then you are more than welcome to. And I think it'll look cute either way. If you leave it as is, where it's kind of like feathered here in the back, or if you trim it up some and take it a little lower in the back, then it will look cute too. So of course the front as well, but I think this is a super duper cute look. If you're trying to try out a pixie, you're scared to take that leap and just cut your hair off, then you could always just try out a pixie wig. If you're in between styles and you already have your hair cut in a pixie, I feel like this is super convenient as well. But yes, very, very cute. Now I will say this is more of like a bixie than a pixie, which I feel is like just a little longer than an actual pixie cut because it is so long and heavy here at the top. Now I love this heavy bang though. It is so super cute, and I did run the flat iron over the front as well to kind of loosen up the curl, but I really like the volume here at the front and the top. It's just really pretty. Also, it's very flat here at the parting space, so I did not have to use my hot comb. I brought it out for nothing. And then also I did bring out my Conair curling iron, and I did not need to use this either because my little pencil flat iron did the trick all the way around. I think I got this off Amazon or TikTok shop, but I'll put a link to this down in the description box below. But yes, super duper quick and easy style. As you saw, I did not spray or glue this unit down, just a little bit of contouring powder around that hairline, but this unit is 100% glueless. And I will say that this unit is very secure. Even though it has the traditional ear tabs, we don't have the C-shaped ear tabs on this unit, just the regular traditional ones. We have the adjustable straps, and what else do we have? The elastic band in the inside. This unit is so snug and secure. Usually when it's just like a medium cap size, it's a hit or miss for me, but this one is definitely a hit. It fits my head like a glove. It's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. So I love that it comes already cut in this cute style. It's giving very much so mature boss lady, and I love that about it. It's just super duper cute. Also the parting space, just look at that. So I have on a new wig cap. I don't even have the HD ones on, and look how crisp it looks. I did not put any kind of makeup or anything here in this parting space, and it looks just that good. So highly recommend this pixie cut unit from LuvMe Hair. Again, if you've been seeing this all over social media, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, everywhere, you have got to get your hands on this. LuvMe Hair likes to bring out units, sell them out, and then not bring them back. So you want to make sure to get your hands on this unit. I'm going to put everything down in the description box that you need. A link to LuvMe Hair's website, a link to this unit. Of course, my promo code SNH28 gives you 28% off of this unit and any other unit you decide to purchase from LuvMe Hair. So again, I do have another unit here in this box, and it is a curly one. So we're gonna get into that one next. But yes, this is it for this unit. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend, and I'll see you all in the next video.